Hi everyone, this is Dixie from Seymour Library Gardens. Welcome. Today we're going to be talking about the workhorses of the garden. These are plants that every gardener should have and will be happy to have because they're almost no trouble at all. Let me point out, this is Solomon seal, and it's a perennial. There's almost no maintenance involved with them, with the exception of making sure that it is contained. As you can see, it's almost engulfing this hosta here. So it needs to be thinned out, and that's not a hard thing to do because they reproduce by rhizomes, and all you have to do is pull one up. And that's pretty much it. You really don't even have to dig them up if you don't want to. There's almost no diseases or pests involved with these. So they really, you can just plant them and leave them, making sure that they don't overwhelm everything else. Okay, and the second one I'm going to talk about is Heuchera. They're also known as coral bells. And they have a lot of different species, different cultivars of these. And these are almost no sweat either. The only thing you have to do is clean them up in the winter and let them do their thing. The colors are wonderful. This is a lime and the other is more of a caramel. But you can get red ones, you can get black ones, and there's almost no work involved with them. They like a shady spot. That's pretty much it. And our third selection is the queen of the garden, which are hostas. There are literally hundreds of different cultivars in plain and striped, and even a white one, white feather hosta. They're no sweat. The only thing that bothers them is maybe slugs. But around here we don't have that kind of problem, so we don't worry about it. There are no slug holes in any of these hostas. As you can see, some of them are variegated, some of them are just straight color. I want to show you some of the size variations. This is blue mouse ears, which is right there. But this one is the biggest of them all. It's called Empress Wu, and this is from my garden. And the clump registers about 7 feet across. They have almost no disease problems, and they're a no sweat deal. So there you are, hostas.